So I just stumbled upon this cross-platform translation tool called Pot. It's kind of wild how it supports multiple translation APIs all at once.
Wait, what do you mean multiple APIs? Like it can switch between different translation services?
Exactly, you can choose from big names like Google, DeepL, and even OpenAI's API. It's like having a translator buffet.
That's super interesting. But how does it even manage to do that without getting muddled up?
Great question. The tool has a plugin system that allows it to interface with these different services seamlessly.
A plugin system, so users can customize their experience? That's a smart move.
Totally. And it supports exports to vocabulary lists too, which really helps in language learning.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Imagine having a personalized word bank from translations you actually use.
Right, and the OCR feature is a game changer. It can recognize text from images and translate it.
Hold on. How well does it perform with different writing styles or handwritten text?
Pretty well. For instance, it uses Tesseract OCR for many of its options, which is a solid choice.
Nice. So not only can you translate, but you can also get translations from what you see in the real world.
Exactly. And the fact that it supports Wayland means it's ready for the latest Linux desktop environments.
That's significant. Many new tools overlook that. You have to give them credit for being inclusive.
Totally. And the installation process is straightforward, even for non-techies.
What about those who aren't as familiar with terminal commands? Will they be lost?
Not at all. There are detailed guides for manual installation on different platforms.
So it really does cater to everyone. That's a refreshing approach.
For sure, and the best part, it's totally free to use.
No way. That seems too good to be true. What's the catch?
No catch, it's open source, which means anyone can contribute to its development.
That's awesome. It practically has a built-in community of developers working on it.
Exactly. Plus, it includes contributions from various developers, enriching its capabilities.
I love that. It reminds me of how open source projects often evolve so much quicker.
Right? And did you know there's also an API for external software calls? That's incredibly handy.
Wait, so developers can integrate this into their own applications? That's a big deal.
Totally. You can make requests to it just by sending HTTP calls. Super accessible.
That opens up a whole new level of interactivity. Imagine chat apps integrating it.
Right. Instant translations in conversations could really bridge language barriers.
And it's fascinating that it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, like text input and OCR.
Exactly. It's like the Swiss Army knife of translation. Who thought translation tools could be so versatile?
This really has me thinking about how we approach language learning today. It feels more accessible.
Definitely. And it's interesting that it targets both casual users and serious language learners.
That's crucial. Many tools tend to focus on one group, but this one feels more unified.
Totally. It's this blending of casual practicality with serious functionality.
I wonder how it continues to balance that as it evolves. That's the real challenge.
I know, right? Keeping that versatility while ensuring quality is key.
But you know, if the community stays engaged, they can help maintain that balance.
Absolutely. That gives me hope that it'll keep improving and adapting.
It really makes you appreciate the collaborative nature of open source projects.
Exactly. And the possibilities with translation tech are just beginning. It's exciting.
For sure. I can't wait to see what other innovations come next in this space.
Same here. I feel like we're on the brink of a new era in language understanding.
Yeah, and this time it feels more inclusive and accessible than ever.
Absolutely, and that's what really changes the game, isn't it?
Definitely. I'm excited to delve deeper into Pot and experiment with all its features.